In this video, we explain how you can make your first trade in the MetaTrader trading platform. While there are many ways you can open a trade or place an order in MetaTrader, in this video we will focus on the Market Watch window. First, scroll through the list of symbols to find the instrument you want to trade. If you can't find it, you can add it using the Click to Add option at the bottom of the list. Once you've found the instrument, or it has been added to the list, double-click it to open the order window. This is where you can open a trade. Here you will see that your instrument has already been selected. The next step is to choose the type of order, market execution or pending order. A market execution order is a trade that will open as soon as you finish entering your preferences, while a pending order is a trade that will open once your instrument's price reaches your chosen level. For this trade, we'll choose market execution. The next option is volume, or the size of the trade. Trade volumes are measured in lots, which is a standard unit of any financial instrument. The value of these units varies depending on the instrument, so it's best to calculate the value of any trade using the Admiral Markets trading calculator before you get started. Depending on the instrument you're trading, you can choose trade volumes from as little as 0.01 lots or as large as 100 lots. For this trade, we'll set a volume of 0.1 lots. The next option are your stop loss and take profit. Both of these are prices you can set where your trade will automatically close. A stop loss allows you to set a limit on your losses, while a take profit allows you to secure profit without manually closing a trade. We will leave these blank, which means we will manually close the trade. Once you've set your preferences, you can then choose to sell by market or buy by market. If you think the price of an instrument will go down, you would open a sell trade, and if you think the price will increase, you would open a buy trade. Here we will open a buy trade. Once you have placed your order, it will be confirmed in the same window. You can now monitor your trade in the Trade tab of the Chart window or toolbox. In the Chart window, you can see the price level at which the trade was opened, along with any take profits or stop losses you set. In the toolbox, you can see the ticket number, which is the number assigned to your trade in the system, the time it was opened, the type of trade, the volume, the price when the trade was opened, your stop loss and take profit, the current price, and your running profit. It also lists the swap, which is similar to an interest rate charged for keeping positions open overnight. This may be either positive or negative, and it will affect your profit or loss. When you're ready to close your trade, simply double-click on the trade in the toolbox. This will open the order window again. To close your trade, simply click the Close button at the bottom of the window. Your trade will now disappear from the Trade tab in the toolbox and will appear in the History tab as a past trade. And that is how you make a trade in MetaTrader. We wish you best of luck with your first trade. Please feel free to contact us with any questions.